no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm very excited. I was gonna wait, I was gonna put on makeup, I was gonna wait until I got a desk, I was gonna do this and I was gonna do that, but this has been sitting on my floor for 3 days and I finally got it. I had to wait 3 weeks and here it is. My new iMac. Today I will be unboxing this, so let's get started. What is that you say? Oh, it's just my iMac. Okay, you ready? I just got off work. I couldn't wait any longer. I've seen so many of these. All right. Okay, let me get it together here. Let me just pull it out. Okay. For the thing, and I literally, yeah, take it off. That was heavy. Oh, and then up here, we have the keyboard, the magic keyboard that it comes with. It is wireless. Yeah, and the mouse. So I didn't get the trackpad or anything, like I didn't feel like I needed it. If I do, like later on down the road, I'll just purchase that. I think it's like maybe $70 to $100. I'll put the correct price on the screen. But yeah, so everything is wireless and so very shiny and glossy. It has this little Apple sticker. I'm just gonna take it off. Ooh, be careful, honey. Be careful, honey. Okay. And now you have the power button on the back, and you have your ports. If you want to add more RAM or anything, here's the little door. You can just, oh, I thought you could open it. I guess not. We'll figure that out later. Okay. All right, so let's go. Let's turn the little baby around. Yes, we are. Yes, we are gonna turn the little baby around. So here we have it, the iMac, 21.5 inches diagonal. With the ports in the back, like I said, the head jack, the SD card, 4 USB ports, 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and an Ethernet cable with the power cord as well. The power cord is the only thing that comes with this computer, with this Mac, okay? And so therefore, I didn't want to get the Air, I didn't want to get the Pro, so I'm excited that it only comes with 1 cord because it's very versatile. I can move it around. I can take it with me wherever. They sell bags on Amazon for $79. So it's very portable because it only has this 1 cord and it's only this. The bag on Amazon for $79 has a spot for the keyboard and for the mouse. So these are both wireless, the keyboard and the mouse. Here you go. This is how far it goes up. This is how far it goes down. You have the Apple logo on the back with the ports and the 1 cord. It also comes with your standard Apple stickers, and it also comes with the microfiber cloth to clean off your screen, which is really necessary actually, now that I think about it. The charger to charge your keyboard and your mouse. So basically, I'm just gonna explain the bundle that I got, which I think is amazing. All you need is a student ID or a student email. So it's the 4K Retina display iMac. I went up 1 from the base model, which is not 4K and it's not Retina. It has a 1 TB hard drive. The next one up would have been a 1 TB Fusion drive, which is the one I probably should have gotten, but you know everybody starts somewhere. So this is good enough starting, okay? So just Final Cut Pro is $2.99, guys, in the App Store. I got this bundle with 5 softwares for $1.99. My total came out to $16.52 for the computer, the Beats, the Apple Care, and the 5 Pro bundle package deal. It came out to $16.52, $1,652. I think that is such an amazing price because I've seen my mom, Simone, my sister, a lot of my friends go and purchase MacBook Pros and having to pay more for the computer itself than with all of this stuff that I got. So I really encourage you to take advantage of that student discount when it comes back around next year. I had to wait 2 weeks for it to come to the store just because if you purchase the Pro bundle, they have to install it into the computer before. They can't just give it to you at the Apple Store. I'm so excited to be more active on YouTube. You guys don't understand. So anyway, make sure that you subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like the video, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and thank us later.